Some panel work for the trunk on the ZL1. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get some wiring done. I got to finish up the ignition switch source for the controller, or the brains of the operation, if you will. So that's what we're going to get into right now. Yeah, it's not going to go down all the way because of the wiring. I'm going to probably tuck it inside here, but we're perfect. Make a bracket that we had mentioned before for this fill valve. Make it sit right there, make a little L bracket for that. And we'll get that trunk panel there marked up. So we're just going to take a measurement from that rear seat line forward, and that'll kind of give us a good anchorage point on where to set the pump or the whole stand, because we want to get as much of this truck space as possible.
See, that's pretty good right there. You're happy with it?
And for you, those of you that are probably wondering why it looks crooked inside here, it's because the distance from this nub to the corner of there and the distance from this nub to the corner of there is going to be different because they're offset from each other. So if you take a straight line from here, obviously this sits farther back. So that's the only reason why that kind of looks off. Other than that, measurements check out. The tank looks straight. If you bypass in your mind the visuals of the nubs, that's pretty straight. We're hunting vampires.
Quite big enough?
We could probably thread it. Other way? Oh no, you're good, you're good, you're good. upside down for me. Yeah, I think that fits pretty good.
Now the fucked up part though is putting that metal in there without messing up the leather.
No, yeah. What I did was I took cardboard and taped it to the corners. Around these corners here. And back here. I already beveled. I took a grinder because it was a lot more sharp before. What we're gonna do is probably tuck this whole roll on this side here, but I have to unwind some of this and get it ran underneath the board, so especially the data cable. So I'm gonna run this underneath, all the way through, underneath the back seats, all the way out.
Going 45 miles an hour.
Bro, what the fuck? Yo. Can you guys see that? What is this guy doing?
Then I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I don't feel safe right now.
Lasting, I'm in danger.
Shit. I think I need to come up with it. Are you up with it? Because I'm up with it. Well, I noticed on the remote that this corner here leaks air faster than the other 3 corners. So I'm going to try to tighten up the elbow fitting where the hard line goes into. And hopefully that helps some of that, because originally the driver's side rear was leaking air faster than the other 3 corners. I tightened that one up and now it's holding up air better than the other 3. So I apply that same theory and logic to this corner and we should get the same outcome, right? You out here frying rice?
That's right. That's badass.
Yeah,
The screen on the front, yeah?
hell yeah, dude.
Shit.
Good ball.